Dear students, in today's session I will be discussing with you people about the placenta abnormalities. So before coming to that topic, let's have a discussion regarding what is placenta, what is the various function and all. So if we talk about the placenta abnormalities, तो abnormalities या तो anatomical structures में होगी या तो किस लेयर पे वो अटैच है यूट्रस के, या फिर इम्प्लांटेशन गलत है, वेदर इट इज़ काइंड ऑफ लोअर पोर्शन ऑफ द यूट्रस. तो प्लासेंटा एबनॉर्मलिटीज कैन बी ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप्स, ओके, आइदर लोकेशन और according to the implantation and all. So if we talk about the placenta, this is how the placenta look, okay. Usually the placenta is having two surface, दो surface होता है placenta का. तो हम बात करते हैं कि एक होता है dear fetal surface और एक होता है maternal surface. Okay, so this one, the first picture which you are seeing is the fetal surface and the another one is the maternal surface, and there is a layer. Okay, so this layer is known as the amnion layer. This layer is known as the amnion layer, and we are having two layer, amnion and the chorion. Okay, so again you can see this image. So the first picture which you can see is the fetal surface. It is very shiny in nature, and the cord insertion usually is in the middle. Okay, and in the fetal surface you can see those blood vessels. It is very shiny in nature. Okay, and the baby is over this side, so that's why it is known as the fetal surface. When we will see towards the maternal surface there, it is very rough. Okay, it is very rough, and you can see some cotyledons. Okay, there are some cotyledons present. And how many cotyledons are there? Around 15 to 20 cotyledons you will find. Okay, and it is very rough in shape. Most of the placenta, the fetal surface only occupies the maximum area. So if you talk about 4/5 of the surface area is covered by the fetal side. Fetal side जो है वो ज़्यादा area cover करता है, whereas the maternal surface it is only 4/5. 1/5. Okay, so fetal surface is around 4/5, whereas the maternal surface जो occupy करती है वो 1/5. बात करते हैं what is the proportion. Okay, what is the proportion of the placenta, कि कितना weight of the baby and the placenta. It's around, the proportion is 1:6. 1:6 is the proportion. जब भी बेबी बॉर्न होता है, the foremost important is to do examination of the placenta, कि if any of the lobe is missing from the placenta, and then we have to do the weight also. Okay, the normal weight which you will see at the time of the term pregnancy is around 500 gram. 500 gram होता है weight किसका, placenta का, and the proportion is 1:6. So the placenta, dear, is kind, we used to say it is a discoid in shape. Discoid है, circular है, discoid in shape है, and it is usually implanted in the endometrial layer, and that layer is known as the decidual layer. That layer is known as the decidual layer. Okay, if we talk about the circle size, this whole circle size will be 15 to 20 centimeter. The size of this, you can say, placenta is 15 to 20 centimeter. जहाँ तक बात कीजिए थिकनेस की, इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट दिस थिकनेस देयर, इट इज़ अराउंड 2.5 to 3 सेंटीमीटर तक वैरी करते हैं. तो जब बेबी बॉर्न होता है, जब प्लासेंटा आता है, तो देयर कैन बी डिफरेंट, कि प्लासेंटा कैन बी बिग ऑल्सो एंड इट कैन बी स्मॉल ऑल्सो. यूजली स्मॉल प्लासेंटा यू विल सी इन द केस if a mother is having any kind of disease like hypertension है, तो उसमें बहुत स्मॉल प्लासेंटा होता है, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी मदर का बीपी इतना हाई होता है कि प्लासेंटा को अच्छा ब्लड सप्लाई नहीं मिलता. सो द बेबी विल लैंड अप हैविंग IUGR as well as mother placenta will be very small in size. But in some cases the placenta size is big also, if we talk about. So placenta megali कहते हैं dear. Okay, so till now we have discussed two surface, fetal surface and the maternal surface. So already I told you we are having amnion and chorion layer. These two things can be separated completely. Just at the center we cannot separate, where the cord insertion is there, हम वहाँ पे separate amnion and chorion को नहीं कर सकते. Okay, सो बात की जाए प्लासेंटा की, उसके बहुत सारे फंक्शंस हैं, न्यूट्रिटिव फंक्शंस है, टेम्परेचर रेगुलेशन है, इम्यून फंक्शन है, वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट है, गैस एक्सचेंज है, हार्मोनल फंक्शन. All throughout the pregnancy, placenta play a major role. Always remember one of the important concept uh, from the time of implantation of the baby. Okay, जब तो प्लासेंटा बनता है कभी भी मदर और बेबी का ब्लड कभी मिक्स नहीं होता है. Okay, and there is only exchange of nutrition takes place. Okay, and now so this is known as a, how does it takes place? It takes from chorionic villi. तो ये fetal surface है, ये maternal surface है. तो fetal surface से जो cord insertion हो रहा है dear, you can see these things which you are able to see, this is known as a chorionic villi. Chorionic villi ये placenta साइड से maternal side में insert हो रहा है chorionic villi, and from the maternal side you can see these spiral arteries are coming, and these spiral arteries comes in contact and in the interval space, यहाँ से blood expose होता है interval space में, and then ये exchange of nutrition or all the gases takes place. Is that clear? So you should have a clear concept that throughout the pregnancy there is no mixing of blood between the baby and the mother. Okay, now I have already discussed with you what is the function of the placenta. It can be endocrine, many hormones, estrogen, progesterone, whatever the HPL, all those things which is needed for the continuation of the pregnancy is secreted by the placenta. If you talk about nutritive function, main function like amniotic acid, glucose, vitamins and minerals, all those things are supplied by the placenta also. Storage functions like iron and vitamin are being stored. Enzymatic functions, barrier, कई बार कई चीज़ से प्लासेंटा प्रिवेंट करता है बेबी को लाइक ट्रांसफ़र होने से. ओके, इम्यूनोलॉजिकल फंक्शंस ऑल्सो. बट इन टुडेज सेशन वी विल टॉक अबाउट main abnormalities. So now we'll come to the main topic. Till now I have given you a overview of placenta. Okay, so let's talk. Now you should be thorough about the anatomical structure of the uterus. Okay, the innermost is the endometrium layer, and this muscle is known as the myometrium layer, and then the last layer is the perimetrium. Okay, so the placenta usually implants in the endometrium layer, that is also known as the testicular layer. Okay, but there can be a defect according to the implantation. Placenta कहाँ इम्प्लांट कर रहा है उससे भी डिफेक्ट होता है. तो लेट अस सी. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल dear, if the placenta, in this image you can see, if the placenta is being implanted here the normal implantation, the first this is the normal implantation in the decidual. But if the placenta takes place implants at the myometrium, the muscle की periphery में, that is known as a myometrium layer पे करता है, उस केस में हम प्लासेंटा एक्रीटा कहते हैं. उसे क्या बोलते हैं? प्लासेंटा एक्रीटा कहते हैं. इफ द प्लासेंटा इम्प्लांट इन द myometrium layer of the uterus. But if in case that placenta implant somewhat deeper layer in the muscles, just imagine baby out हुआ and we are waiting for the placenta. Okay, but placenta आ ही नहीं पा रहा because it's already invaded in the muscle layer of the uterus. Okay, so this condition is known as a morbid adherent placenta. ऐसा बोलते हैं morbid adherent placenta. तो अगर myometrium की ऊपरी भाग में है then that is known as accreta. अगर deep inside into the myometrium muscle layer में, that condition is known as a placenta increta. That condition is known as a placenta increta. अगर that placenta आप देख सकते हैं इस फिगर में. ओके, इस फिगर में आप देख सकते हैं कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा ही इन्वेड हो गया है हियर इन दिस केस. ओके, बहुत इन्वेड हो गया. जस्ट इमेजिन हाउ दिस. सो इन दिस केस द प्लासेंटा हैज इन्वेडेड टू डीप, सो दैट इज नोन एज ए परक्रीटा. द प्लासेंटा एक्रीटा, इनक्रीटा एंड परक्रीटा. नाउ यू पीपल आर क्लियर विद दैट. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दिस इमेज. सो फर्स्ट आई विल टेल यू अबाउट द डिफेक्ट which is known as a bilobar placenta. जब एक प्लासेंटा इक्वल भाग में, दो इक्वल भाग में डिवाइड होता है, ठीक है, आप देख सकते हो दिस टू लोब्स आर इन इक्वल in size, and there are blood vessels, and they are being connected with like this. So this condition is known as a bilobar placenta. Okay, bilobata, placenta bilobata, because the placenta is like being separated equally in two parts and connected with the blood vessels and all. Okay, so this is known as a placenta bilobata. तो ये जो बाइलोपटा है देयर, इट कैन कॉज वेरियस कॉम्प्लिकेशन ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी, लाइक यूजली वी कैन से जब बेबी बॉर्न हो जाता है तो पीपीएच होने के चांसेस होते हैं. अगर किसी पेशेंट्स को बाइलोपटा है तो पीपीएच होने के चांसेस इंक्रीज हो जाता है. ओके, सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि वी नीड टू नो द लोकेशन ऑफ द प्लासेंटा इन द स्टार्टिंग ट्राइमेस्टर्स एंड ऑल. कि अगर 20 वीक्स में प्लासेंटा का अल्ट्रासाउंड करते हैं तो अगर लोअर लाइन होता है, बट हो सकता है थर्ड ट्राइमेस्टर में दैट प्लासेंटा मूव्स अबव एंड इट कम्स टू द एग्जैक्ट प्लेस. सो दैट्स वाई अल्ट्रासाउंड जो थर्ड ट्राइमेस्टर को होता है, वी गो फॉर करेक्ट placement of the placenta at that time. Okay, so if a patient is having bilobar placenta like this, so sorry, bilobata, so then there is a chance of having PPH. Now next is succenturate placenta. Next is succenturate placenta. Succenturate placenta क्या है? It is same like bilobata. Okay, so now you see the image. So can you differentiate something? Okay, here the lobes are of different size and they are connected with some blood vessels. So this case is known as a succenturate placenta, where the placenta, one size is big and one size is small, and they are connected with the blood vessels. This is known as a succenturate placenta. If a patient is having succenturate placenta, there's an increased chance of having this PPH and all, postpartum hemorrhage. Now there's also a case which is known as a fenestrate placenta, and this kind of placenta real image is not there, and till now it has not been found anywhere. So there's some gap between the placenta, within the placenta, that is known as a fenestration. Okay, fenestration means hole. Next we will study condition, the same thing, placenta fenestration. Okay, now is circumvallate placenta. Okay, so in the starting slide I told you we are having two surfaces. We are having a fetal surface, we are having the maternal surface. So in this image what difference you can see, that this is the fetal surface. Okay, अब क्या देख सकते हैं, fetal surface, इसके बैक साइड में maternal surface. So now this margin are being raised. ये जो margin आप देख रहे हैं border line, ये थोड़ी सी raise है. वो क्या है, वो है maternal surface. So जब maternal surface completely partially covers the fetal surface, this is known as a circumvallate. Circulation form में it is covering the fetal surface and all. Okay, so this image is of circumvallate. हमेशा याद रखिए कि जो if a mother is having a circumvallate placenta, there is an increased chance of antepartum hemorrhage. APH होने के ज़्यादा chances है जब circumvallate placenta होता है. Okay, now you people should be clear. Now let's talk about membranous placenta. As in the image you can see कि एक placenta, मैंने already बोला था आपको कि circular disc shape का होता है, 15 to 20 सेंटीमीटर की लेंथ होती है इसकी. Okay, and the thickness is 2.5 to 3 centimeter. But membranous is like it is very thin, बहुत ही thin है placenta, बहुत ही पतला है. तो that condition is known as a placenta membranous. Okay, till now I have given you example. I've taught you about the placenta membranous, fenestration placenta, circumvallate placenta क्या होता है हमने पढ़ लिया है. Is that clear? Now we'll go with the abnormalities related to the umbilical cord. ठीक है, तो एक नॉर्मल umbilical cord आप सबने देखा होगा in your wards. So let's have a clear concept. जब भी एक बेबी बॉर्न होता है, umbilical कट होता है, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू सी कि नंबर ऑफ आर्टरीज एंड वेन. तो टोटल कितनी आर्टरी वेन होती है आप देख सकते हो. दिस ओके, डिफ्रेंशिएट कर सकते हो. तो दीज आर arteries. So we are having a 2 artery and we are having a 1 vein. So this is a vein. Is that clear? So normal umbilical cord usually have 2 artery, 1 vein, And if anything is absent, or if a baby is having one umbilical artery, so the baby might be having a condition which is known as renal agenesis, renal kidney की problem हो सकती है, या फिर ट्राइसोमी हो सकता है, ठीक है. So it's very important to check कि how many artery and veins है, and this layer is known as the covering is known as वाटर से चले, उसे बोलते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं वाटर से चले. अब हमें कॉर्ड में लेंथ भी देखनी होती है और कुछ नॉट्स देखने होते हैं. द फर्स्ट इमेज विच यू कैन सी, दिस इज अ ट्रू नॉट. जैसे कोई रस्सी होती है, अगर हम उस पर गांठ मारते हैं, वी कैन ओपन दैट ऑल्सो. सो दिस इज नोन एज अ ट्रू नॉट. वेयर द सेकेंड इमेज विच यू कैन सी, it seems like a knot, but it's not a knot. Okay, so this is known as a false knot. The first one is your true knot. आप इसको रैप आउट भी कर सकते हो, ठीक है. अब बात करते हैं एबनॉर्मलिटीज़ की, कि नंबर वन इज़ द मार्जिनल. सो लेट अस सी विद द इमेज. सो यूजुअली द अम्बिलिकल कॉर्ड इंसर्शन जो होता है वो प्लासेंटा के सेंटर में होता है, बट दिस thing, the insertion is at the periphery, okay, from side. So this kind of insertion of umbilical cord, when it takes place from the side, or you can say, so this is known as a marginal insertion. तो ऐसे placenta का बोलते हैं dear placenta. You can or as we can also say it as a battledore placenta or marginal cord insertion, ठीक है. तो battledore placenta image. Next, there's also a condition where the umbilical cord do not get attached to the placenta directly नहीं attach होता है placenta से, okay. कुछ membrane से umbilical cord आता है, कुछ membrane से फिर blood vessel से connection से ही placenta तक जाता है, okay. तो this kind of is known as a membranous placenta. This is known as a membranous placenta बोलते हैं इसको, ठीक है. The membranous placenta again, exactly, this is known as a membranous placenta. Now you people will tell me कि अब मैंने आप लोग को बता दिया है कि इस इमेज में आप इस इमेज में क्या क्या देख सकते हैं, ठीक है. और लेट अस हैव अ डिस्कशन. दिस इमेज विच यू आर सीइंग, दिस इज द marginal placenta. This image which you can see is a circumvallate. This is the circumvallate placenta, ठीक है. अभी जो पहली इमेज है, क्या ये कौन सा है, आप बता सकते हो क्या ये बैटलडोर है? नहीं, ये बैटलडोर नहीं, ये बाइलोबाटा नहीं है, ओके. दिस इज नॉट अ बाइलोबाटा डियर, बिकॉज द लोब्स आर अनइक्वल. दिस इज ससेंचुरेट प्लासेंटा, ओके. ये ससेंचुरेट प्लासेंटा है, जो मैंने आपको बताया था कि द लोब्स आर नॉट इक्वल इन size, and both the lobes are connected with the blood vessels and all. The last one which you can see कि जो कॉर्ड है वो डायरेक्टली प्लासेंटा से अटैच नहीं हो रही है, कुछ filamentous काइंड ऑफ है. तो दिस वन इज नोन एज अ filamentous placenta. So I hope so from this topic you have got some knowledge. Thank you so much for seeing my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you dear.